First grade. Today you're going to get your painted paper back. If you need to finish painting some white spots, you'll be able to do that first. But then you're going to get 3 pieces of white and 1 piece of pink. And what we're going to do is we're going to make little mice to glue to the top of our mouse paint background so it looks like the mice mix the colors. So the first thing that you're going to do is you are going to try and make this into an oval by tearing. So you're just going to tear it, getting really close to the edge, and you're just ripping the paper, and what that does is it makes it look fuzzy like fur. I'm not making a very small mouse. I want a nice big fat guy. And all of this little scraps are going to go in the trash. You're going to make 3 of those. After you have 1, you can make a tail. And all you're going to do is take the pink paper and you can go like this, cut a strip off. You can also make a point at the end. That's just going to be his tail. And then we're going to make some ears. And from the edge of the paper, you're going to go like this. And then you're going to cut them. Now to get the ears to stick, you fold a little tiny flap. So I'm going to zoom in. And I'll put him on here so you can kind of see him so far. You're going to take and put just a little fold. We learned this when we were doing our masks, that if you put a little tab like that, then you can glue it standing up. So you're going to take your glue stick and you're just going to run your ear, the tab part, along like that. I didn't put glue on the whole ear, just on the tab. And then I'm going to stick it down. And remember, you got to count to at least 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then it should stick, and then you can see that it's standing up. Okay? So then you're going to do that to the other side as well. Fold a little tab, put a little glue, stick her on. You also are going to put a little glue on the tip of the tail, not the whole tail, just the tip. And then you're going to stick that right there. And we are going to make the tails curly by giving them a roll on your pencil. Just like we did when we made our paper masks, we're manipulating the paper. See, now it's a little curl. So there it is from the side. We can also draw little marks or stripes on his tail because rats or mice have little ribs on their little pink tails. You probably could do that before you curl it. I'm going to give it a recurl. And then you also want to do some cute little eyes. You can do those. And what am I forgetting? I'm forgetting his little nose. And that could be drawn on, or it could be out of pink paper. Notice that when I use my paper, I put the glue on the pencil side. And I'm just going to stick it on. It could be a circle, it could be a triangle, it could be just a random shape. So you're going to make 3 little mice, and then you're going to glue your mice to your paper. Wherever you want his little feet to be, mixing up all of the paints, you're going to put a bunch of glue behind him. If we run out of time today, you need to make sure that your mice have your name on them. If they're not glued to your paper, you need to put your name on them so that you know that they're yours for next time. So I'm going to stick one here. I'm not gluing his tail down because I want it to curl up. And then I would go ahead and I'd make another one. And then I'd go ahead and I'd make another one. Total of 3 little mice for your mouse paint picture. Okay, so there you go. There's your next directions. Thanks for listening.